Good day, everyone. My name is Victor Juvenal M. Ventura. I'm from Mingan, Pangasinan, and I'm 20 years old. Now, I'll be reciting our university's vision, mission, and core values. UEP Vision, a local leading university known to develop excellent and virtuous professionals who are catalysts of progress for both the local and global communities. UEP Mission, University of Eastern Pangasinan is dedicated to producing highly competent and morally responsible UEPians through innovation, industry-focused education, sustainable research, and values-based curriculum. We commit to shaping ethical trailblazers, bringing our principle-centered culture, defining our values of Makajos, Marunong, and Malinis. Our core values are U stands for uprightness, E stands for excellence, and P stands for passion. And the name of our instructor for this subject, Networking 102, is Sir Philip Michael Awanan. And last year, we learned, and last year now I will be sharing some key topics we've learned in Networking 101. First, we started with the introduction to networking, where we define what a network is simply a group of computers and devices connected connected to share some resources. We also discuss how computer networks are used every day in business, schools, and even our homes. Next, we explored the types of networks, which are the LAN, WAN, and MAN. LAN or local area network usually found in our homes, schools, and offices. WAN or wide area network, which covers large areas like the internet itself. And MAN or metropolitan area network, which connects networks across a whole city. After that, we studied the network models. The OSI model has 7 layers, from physical layer all the way to the application layer. Meanwhile, the TCP or IP model is simpler with 4 layers, and it is a standard used in real world networking. We also looked at transmission media. This includes twisted pair cables like Cat5e and Cat6, coaxial cables, fiber optic cables that give the fastest speeds, and wireless transmission using radio waves, infrared, microwave, and even satellites. Then we learned about network protocols, which are basically the rules of communication. Examples include Ethernet or wired, LAN, IP, TCP, and UDP for addressing and data transfer, and others like DNS, DHCP, HTTP or HTTPS, FTP, and email protocols. For networking devices, we covered hubs, switches, routers, access points, modems, repeaters, gateways, and firewalls, each with a specific role in keeping data flowing smoothly and securely. Aside from theories, we also had hands on skills. One important skill was crimping a LAN cable. We, we learned how to arrange the colored wires in the correct order and attach an RJ45 connector to make a working Ethernet cable. Finally, we practiced using Cisco Packet Tracer, a simulation tool that lets us design networks, configure devices, and test connectivity, just like in the real world setup, but in a safe virtual environment.